Hi, this is Kent, and today I'm going to show you how to further stylize your site by creating a custom font for various elements on the page. As you can see here, the site name and the date both use a custom font. Now, to embed these fonts, I've integrated into Gadget the totally awesome, really remarkable Cufon. And what Cufon is, it consists of two parts. First, there's the font generator that you see here, and then there's a rendering engine that's written in JavaScript, and that's the part I've integrated into Gadget. The first thing you need to do is define a free font. And how do you do that? Well, you just do a Google search for free fonts. You'll come up with an endless list of websites that offer free fonts, like 1001freefonts.com or chank.com. My favorite, though, is defont.com. At the top, you can see there's a list of categories of fonts. I'm going to go for a sci-fi type font. And that first one on the list, Space Age, I like a lot. So I click the download button. It downloads the font to my computer. Now, once the font downloads to my computer, I just log into my WordPress admin area, click Gadget Options and Typography, and you'll see a bar here that says Upload or Delete a Custom Font. Click that and it opens up a panel, and you'll see the link to the Cufon font generator. When you click that, it takes you to the generator. From here, I simply select the font that I downloaded. I need to indicate that the end user license agreement allows for my use of the font, so I check this box. Then I need to indicate which glyphs I want included in the font file. My options are uppercase, lowercase, numerals, punctuation. I'm just going to check all, but realize that the more glyphs you include in your font file, the larger the font file will be and the slower your site will load. There's an added option, a security measure, that limits the use of the font to a particular domain. I'm not going to mess with that now, but it's very important if you're using a commercial font. I won't mess with the performance and file size, nor the customization. I just accept the terms. And then when I click the Let's Do This button, it generates the font file and downloads it to my computer. When the file is downloaded to my computer, I go back to my Gadget options, click Typography, open the panel, and I select that file that I just downloaded. I upload it. And when it's uploaded, I can go back into Typography and it'll appear in the drop-down list. And then when I select it, save the changes, and go back to my website, the font style has changed. One word of caution about downloading free fonts. If you use a font that is eroded or distorted or very artistic, it usually has a bigger file size, and some of these file sizes are huge. So that will result, of course, in your site loading more slowly. So just be careful.